How to invite collaborators on Instagram after posting reels. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can invite collaborators after you have posted the reels. First of all, you want to open up Instagram on your device. If you don't have this app, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download it. Make sure that you're using the latest version of the Instagram app. Now, log into your account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your profile. Here, as you can see, I have already posted some reels. Tap on whichever reels it is that you want to invite the collaborators. Now, you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner. From here, tap on the option of Edit. Now, tap on Tag People. Here you have two options, Add Tag and Invite Collaborators. Tap on the option of Invite Collaborators. Now you can simply search for any collaborator. If they accept, their username will be added to the reel. It will be shared with their followers and shown on their profile. So go ahead and you simply want to invite any collaborator that you want. Now tap on this check mark and then tap on the check mark again. Now, once the collaborator accepts your invite, it is going to be shown on their profile as well. And this is how you can invite collaborators on Instagram after posting reels. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.